everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? It's Losung today. It's 15th of December 2020. Last year I was at Bangalore and I could not celebrate, but this year luckily I'm home and I'm going to celebrate it, and I thought of making a vlog. So I'm done getting ready. This is my traditional attire known as Bakhu, and the first thing we do is let up the sang. We say dhoop. In our language we say sang, and then after that we are going to go to Chosong, pray for a while, that is prayer hall, pray for a while, and then that is going to give us his blessings. Money also, money. Okay, so I'm running late, so let's get going straight away. Let's go up to the terrace first. I'll show you how we lit up the sang, and then after that we'll go to prayer hall, and then we'll get blessings, and then after that I guess probably we are going to go to our relatives' place to just go and ask for their blessings, and then just greet them and then just wish them a very happy Losung. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get going. I guess I talked way too much, so let's go to the terrace. So I went up the terrace and mom had already started to do that thing, that is to lit up the sang, and then we have something made like this up in the terrace. This is known as Dupauru in Nepali. I don't know about what we say in Bhutia, but okay. So all we have to do is just offer some things or eatables, anything in that too. And yeah, like a dhoop we say, we have to get that from a tree. So okay, we just do that, and this was how the morning went by. Then after that we went to the prayer hall like I told before, and then asked for God's blessings. And then after that my dad offered his blessings to us, like he does this every year. I mean, in each and every Losung. So okay, he blesses us with his blessings and we get some money. So yeah, this was me. Then okay, haha, I got money na, so no worries. Then after that I had to change because like my dad wanted to just put up the lungta, that is a prayer flag, host the flag. Okay, so we just helped him because okay, it was going to be difficult for him alone, so we just went there and then just help him do that. So yeah, this was how we host the lungta, this prayer flags, which is good and which removes all the obstacles in our life or something which is bad, like it protects us from something which is bad. So yeah, we all tend to have this prayer flag in Sikkim. If you visit, then you'll get to know that. Now I'm having my breakfast. Okay, I changed my clothes because like I can't eat my breakfast in Bakhu, and then after that we need to go outside, so we need to walk for a while. So Bakhu is really very uncomfortable while you walk and all that. Like that's why I just changed. So okay, now let's have breakfast. For breakfast I have some tea and some eatables. With tea I had fox bread, zero, kapse, chatong, and some chura. Now let's have. Okay, so that's me having my breakfast. The fox bread or sel roti, as we see in Nepali, is really very tasty. My mom made it, and you know what, because of that I think that I've gained weight. So okay, no worries, but okay, I had my breakfast, and then we went like to our relatives place like I told before. So we then headed towards our relatives place. So yeah, that's us going to our relatives place. But before I reach to our relatives place, let me just tell you guys as to what do we take when we go to our relatives place. So the first thing we take is zero, and then this is how we prepare zero. That's my mom preparing zero, and like this is something which is traditional snacks or something like a cookie in Bhutia or like in Sikkimese people, I mean for Sikkimese people. And then the second thing is sel roti or fox bread. This is really very tasty, and yeah, my mom is really very good when it comes to making zero, sel roti. So okay, and like since she does not like making khabze, she tends to just make sel roti. So okay, that's me having fox bread, munching on fox bread because okay, yum. Then yeah, that's it. So okay, let's go back. I went to my aunt's place at first. So this is what we do: we go there, take some stuffs, and then just offer them like this with a khada, wishing them a very happy losung. And then out there also we get some blessings. And we then went to one grandmom, and then yeah, we clicked some pictures there. My aunt is there. Then after that we returned back home. I'm so sorry I did not film that. So as soon as we reached home, we then had our lunch. And for lunch we had some meats, aloo chicken, okay, everything, soup, non-veg. It was non-veg and vegetarian. I'm sorry I forgot to film that again. So let's just move on to the night time. So yeah, at night we just had some drinks, and yeah, that was all about the losons. Yeah, that was it. I'm really sorry for ending it so abruptly, but okay, that was all about the loson. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.